Right now, we're in a square. Wally B. Wise in a square. Thursday night, you know. In a place, we just take a little walk out of the square, you know. With that yard all day, you know. I do we work on them things there.
Let's go over some breeze, man. I get tired. That's it. Over some breeze, I'm getting tired, motherfucker.
So them place look like New York. Like a New York over there, you know. Texaco over there, so. Atkins, please. And a crib in there, please. You see Burger King, everything around us are central. We are central. Don't know. Crossroom, I can't believe. See a market, an arcade, been here for many, maybe over 100 years. Maybe more than that. I don't really get the real information yet, but you know, we're at the place. Visit. I never come down here at night time. It's the first time. So all my viewers, keep roping and keep watching my station, watching the channel. And keep it real. While it be in the place, me dep on tour, you don't know. Love John Live, you know? Bonga shower. Whole lot of thing. That my first time.
People say how the thing had changed. Perhaps should I try to get upgrade? You see, Popeyes, Verity, anything in the one. You see. A place.
American Popeye, a be American product in a place. You don't know. Feel like you're there in New York, you know? Different from London City, you see me? They're not a pity. They don't love nobody. I be a love in a place. Don't know. Wally be white. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, work hard, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Come have a breeze out.
I see it. Yeah. We'll lock it down now. You tell me, I had a nice day today, you know? Blessed day, you know? Rastafari, ever living, ever sure. I don't know. Everybody log on for the thing. You tell me? A Guinness way I be.
You could go around at the cinema.
You tell me?
I look for view there.
You see it?
You walk around at the cinema.
Yeah, man. We come with the next part, yeah? We lock it down, we chill it and build it, we try to win it, yeah? Up. Go and give them a talk again. Global, we say.
We say global. We kind of go cool it down, go around at the cinema, see where the real place, big clock in a crossroad, at the square. Now watch nothing at the square over there, you know?
You go to the whole of Miami, the whole of America, watch we here, jam rock this, here, out and bad.